What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back. Today we're gonna be talking about a hot oil treatment. It's a nail growth oil that has all vitamin nutrient that your hair needs to grow healthy, longer and stronger. We're gonna be showing you how to do the hot oil treatment for your hair so you can use it on a weekly basis, or if you wanna use it every 2 weeks or once a month, you can do that as well. I'll list all the link down below if you want to purchase yours. It's absolutely handmade, 100% natural and organic, using best oil, essential oil that are good for alopecia, hair loss, dandruff, oily scalp, dry hair, and all the problems that you know your hair can have. It targets all these problems. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. My name is Jova, helping you grow your natural hair the natural way so you can build more confidence in your natural self. Before we jump into this, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to receive notification about upcoming videos. Thank you. This oil comes in 3 sizes. There's the small one, the 2 ounces, and there's the 4 ounces, and there's also the 8 ounces bottle. You can choose whatever you want depending on your hair needs, and if you're still not sure, let's take a look at what people think about this hair growth oil. If you think that your hair cannot grow, or your hair is not listening or not behaving, you're wrong. You are not listening to your hair. Sometimes your hair is telling you that there's a problem. And if it's dry, there's a problem. If it's too oily, there's a problem. If you have dandruff, there's a problem. If you have edges problem like I used to, you got a problem that you have to resolve. And you have to find out what's going on. And if you don't do that, you will never be happy with your hair, and you're still gonna think that your hair is a problem. You may go back to putting relaxer in your hair, or you think that you need fake hair. Honestly, you don't need all of that. You just need the right tools and the right product for your hair. This oil is proven to help softening your hair at the same time strengthening your hair. So you can use it depending on your hair needs. First thing you're gonna need to do this hot oil treatment is gonna be a pot, some hot water, a mason jar, also your oil that you're gonna pour in the mason jar. Depending on the length that your hair has, you can use small amount, medium, or whatever you think your hair is gonna need for that. Also, you're gonna need a shower cap or just anything that's plastic, a plastic bag. You can also need some tools to section your hair. You're gonna need a wide tooth comb. I use always wide tooth comb. I don't use a small comb in my hair to comb my hair because your hair is kinky. You cannot use small things to comb it. You're gonna break it more. Also, you're gonna need some spray water. You're gonna need some a spray bottle to just kind of spray and give your hair some kind of moisture when you're detangling your hair so it doesn't break either. I recommend using either rose water, aloe vera, or you can just use purified water or distilled water. You're gonna also need a towel, a wet towel, and I'll show you why you're gonna need a wet towel soon. Let's jump into this. So what is an hot oil treatment and when to do it? It is a treatment done prior to washing your hair. It can be done before shampooing for 30 minutes or up to an hour. Some people do it also overnight or after shampooing. The main purpose of an hot oil treatment is to make the hair cuticles stronger, and also it can add moisture to your hair and softness, making it easier to detangle while shampooing your hair. One thing that we're gonna do is using JoleyTexture in a mason jar and put it in a hot water for 30 seconds. It also has a lot of oils that are good for your hair, such as sweet almond oil, castor seed oil, Asian black castor oil, carrot seed oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, a lot of essential oil blend, and also herbal blend. All right, we're gonna come on here, just spray it so it's not too dry. Okay, this is what I've been losing every time I comb my hair now. It's a good improvement compared to what used to happen before. Now we're just gonna section our hair in multiple parts. So I section my hair in multiple parts. Now I pour my oil in a small bottle. Again, you gotta use the right amount for your hair depending on the length of your hair. I'm using this much. It may be too much. You don't need to use a lot because this oil is perfect for multiple use. And one thing also, it has to be warm enough to open up your cuticles so all the vitamins and nutrients can penetrate your hair. It doesn't need to be too hot, otherwise it's gonna burn your scalp and you don't want that. Now you add it to your hair. You can just pour the bottle in your hair, but I find that too messy. That's why I don't like to do it that way, but also you can use it like that. And you can also put it in your scalp because your scalp also needs the boost to grow, the stimulation to grow. There you go. Now after making sure that my hair has everything, I'm just gonna put it in a bun. Make sure also my edges, you don't want to forget those edges. I put it around my edges, and you can also do a scalp massage to kind of stimulate it more. And you put a shower cap on. Now that I'm done putting my oil in my scalp and all over my hair, I'm going to use my towel to kind of wet it and put it in the microwave to warm it up for 30 seconds. Now you can do this oil treatment for 30 minutes, up to an hour, 2 hours, or you can do also overnight. But you don't have time for that probably. We're just going to do it for 30 minutes. And we're going to wet this towel, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds to kind of make it warm enough to open up all cuticles. And also, you're going to do that for 25 minutes within the 35-minute period of time. And you're just going to do this, and you got it from that. Okay, this is going to be really heavy. So... and you keep your hair for 30 minutes like that, and within 25 minutes of using the towel, I know it's really heavy, you can remove it, or literally you can remove it. So you can just remove it in your hair after 25 minutes, but make sure that you do the hot oil treatment for 30 minutes. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with another video where I'll be showing you something good, something great for your natural hair that you can do also at home. Whatever you need to order, they're all gonna be listed down below in the description box, so you can just click the button and purchase whatever you need for your hair. My name is Jova, helping grow your natural hair the natural way. Make sure you subscribe to my channel once again so you don't miss any of my upcoming